Hello my people, in this video we will see how to apply Lazada Pay Later. The first and the most important pass is we will go to this page. And next, currently only pre-qualified users are eligible for a Lazada Pay Later credit line. You can apply through any of the following. We have 5 steps. Step 1. My account. Click in Lazada Wallet and next click Lazada Pay Later. Step 2. Wallet home page. Step 3. Click in Buy a Product Display page and next Lazada Pay Later. Step 4. Lazada Pay Later icon on the home page. And step 5. Lazada Pay Later remember bar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 considerations. First, fill in the required details and submit an application. Verification may take 5 minutes of the 24 hours. Read and agree on the terms and conditions and privacy policy, then click Apply Now. Input OTP and click Submit. Take a photo of your valid ID and conduct face verification by taking a selfie. Fill out all necessary information in the form. Submit your application and wait for the confirmation of your application. And that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.